Modern military aircraft are expensive and are quite reliable at times of combat. From conventional to stealth military aircraft, today we list the top 10 most expensive military aircraft in the world. Let's get started. Number 10. Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey. Estimated cost around $115 million per aircraft. The V-22 Osprey is a joint-service multi-role combat aircraft utilizing tilt-rotor technology to combine the vertical performance of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing aircraft. It was introduced in the year 2007. It is the first tilt-rotor in the world. Currently, it is operated by United States and Japan. Number 9. Chengdu J-20. Estimated cost around $120 million per aircraft. The Chengdu J-20 is a Chinese stealth air superiority multi-role fighter. The aircraft entered service in March 2017. The J-20 is the world's third operational fifth-generation stealth fighter aircraft, after the American F-22 and F-35. It is currently operated by the Chinese Air Force. Number 8. Eurofighter Typhoons. Estimated cost of the most basic configuration of Eurofighter Typhoons is around $125 million. The Eurofighter Typhoons is a European multi-role air superiority fighter, which entered in service in the year 2003. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multinational collaboration program among the UK, Germany, Spain, and Italy. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a highly agile aircraft, designed to be a supremely effective dogfighter in combat. Number 7. Dassault Rafale. Estimated cost of the most basic configuration of Dassault Rafale is around $130 million. The Dassault Rafale is a French 4.5 generation advanced battle-tested multi-role fighter, intended to perform air supremacy, aerial reconnaissance, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions. It entered service in the year 2001. Currently, it is operated by French, India, Qatar, and Egypt, among others. Number 6. F-35B. Estimated cost around $135 million per aircraft. The F-35 Lightning II is an advanced American fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet, intended to perform both air superiority and strike missions. The aircraft has three main variants: the conventional takeoff and landing F-35A, the short takeoff and vertical landing F-35B, and the carrier-based F-35C. Among the three variants, the F-35A, which is being exported to many countries, has the lowest price. It is currently operated by many U.S. allies including Japan, South Korea, UK, Australia, among others. Number 5. E-2D Advanced Hawkeye. Estimated cost around $220 million. The E-2D Advanced Hawkeye is an American all-weather carrier-capable tactical airborne early warning or AEW aircraft, designed and developed for the United States Navy. The E-2D Advanced Hawkeye is the latest fourth version of the original E-2 Hawkeye, which was developed in the late 1950s. The E-2D's first flight occurred on August 2007. The APY-9 radar of the E-2D has the potential of detecting Russian stealth Sukhoi Su-57 and the Chinese stealth Chengdu J-20 and Shenyang J-31. Number 4. Boeing P-8 Poseidon. Estimated cost around $280 million per aircraft. The Boeing P-8 Poseidon is an advanced American maritime patrol aircraft and can operate in anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, and shipping interdiction roles. The P-8 Poseidon is armed with torpedoes, harpoon anti-ship missiles, and other weapons. It can drop and monitor sono buoys. The P-8 Poseidon is currently operated by United States, India, Australia, and UK. Number 3. C-17 Globemaster III. Estimated cost around $330 million per aircraft. The C-17 Globemaster III is a large military transport aircraft used to carry equipment, personnel, and vehicles that was developed for the United States Air Force. Maximum payload of the C-17 is 77,500 kilograms. The C-17 commonly performs tactical and strategic airlift missions, transporting troops and cargo throughout the world. It is currently operated by United States, India, United Kingdom, and Canada, among others. Number 2. F-22 Raptor. Estimated cost around $350 million per aircraft. The F-22 Raptor is an American single-seat, first stealth multi-role fighter in the world. The aircraft was designed primarily as an air superiority fighter, but also has ground attack, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence capabilities. The F-22 cannot be exported under U.S. federal law to protect its stealth technology and classified features. Currently, there are 187 operational F-22 Raptor with the U.S. Air Force. Number 1. B-2 Spirit Stealth Bomber. Estimated cost around $2.1 billion per aircraft. The B-2 Spirit bomber is an American heavy stealth bomber featuring low observable stealth technology, designed for penetrating dense anti-aircraft defenses. The world's only stealth bomber currently in service, the B-2 Spirit has a range of around 11,000 kilometers on internal fuel, and with over 19,000 kilometers with one mid-air refueling, and can reach every corner of the globe. Currently, there are 20 B-2 Spirit under service with the United States Air Force. B-2's original unit cost was $737 million, making it the most expensive aircraft ever built. However, due to retrofitting and adjustments in 1997, its overall cost now stands at $2.1 billion. Thanks for watching.